Hey guys, thanks so much for joining us today. Throwing a quick video together for our friends at high school. So high school teachers, high school administrators, high school support staff, paraprofessionals, special education, all these different types of programming that we have at the high school level, including central office, right? Anybody can learn CPR. So we're talking about first aid, CPR, AED training for school districts at large, but more specifically high schools, right? So high school age populations are going to be treated as adults because they're over 12 years old. Usually high school starts at 9th or 10th grade, depending on your state and your school district, right? They vary state to state and district to district. But with that said, we're all going to be over 12 years old and be heavier likely than 55 pounds. So with that said, we're dealing with adult populations. So an adult first aid CPR AED training would be completely appropriate for high schools. Again, not just the staff to learn how to properly respond to emergencies as they may arise in the school setting, but also support staff, so paraprofessionals, hall aides, lunch aides, all these different people that are in a building, administrators, leadership, central office employees, right? It all trickles down. So anybody can learn CPR, anybody can help care and help save someone's life. We're seeing a bunch of videos recently out there with high school students, especially athletes, kids randomly walking down the hallways that are suddenly collapsing, right? So this stuff does happen. And with that said, we want to make sure that we're prepared to respond to these emergencies and we can help save a life if needed, right? So with that said, totally appropriate for the adult first aid CPR AED. Every school has an AED machine in it. Likely, there's multiple on every floor, at the main office, at the nurse's station, at the gym, at the field house or at a pool area. We're going to have these devices all over the place. So it's great that we have them. We also want to maintain them so they don't expire with batteries or pads. And also, we want to know how to use them, right? Safe use of them. So again, with that said, you're going to learn all those things in a CPR class. So it's always recommended to bring someone out, run through an engaging, efficient session with your staff, your students, and all kinds of other support staff you might have in the building, and make sure everybody is fully equipped to respond to emergencies and you're rescue ready. So again, if you have questions on that, we're happy to help you out. We do a bunch of work with schools, middle schools and high schools alike. And if you have any questions specifically, you can learn about our 4-step process to get you trained and certified in one day, right? So any questions on that, there's some links below. Feel free to reach out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today. Have a great one and good luck this school year. Thanks.